removal wax at home. Waxing is a popular hair removal choice, but depending on how frequently you choose to wax, the costs can add up quickly once you factor in the procedure, tip, and aftercare. Waxing at home can be a great way to save money, especially if you make your own homemade wax. Shaving is one of the quickest ways to nix body hair, but it's not quite as effective as waxing. Waxing yanks hair out of the root, so it takes longer to grow back. Chemical waxing products use an ingredient called calcium thioglycolate to strip hair. It can irritate skin, and it doesn't smell very nice, either. Thankfully, you don't need to give up waxing to avoid slathering your body with chemicals. Instead, make your own wax with natural items at home. And here is our favorite homemade hair removal wax. Sugar and lemon juice wax. Homemade sugar waxing uses a thick sugar substrate that sticks only to the hair instead of sticking to the skin for getting each hair fiber out of its root effortlessly. As it does not adhere to the skin, it does not pull the skin for uprooting the hair, thereby causing much lesser pain than regular waxing. Adding fresh lemon juice to homemade sugar wax recipes is highly beneficial as it acts as a natural antimicrobial agent and fights against breakout causing bacteria to prevent bumps. It also nourishes the facial skin deeply with its high vitamin C content. Ingredients: 2 cups granulated sugar, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 2 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 craft sticks fabric strips from spare fabric or flour sack towels or wax strips. Melt all ingredients in a pot over medium-high heat. Once it begins to boil, stir the mixture to combine all the ingredients. Allow the mixture to continue cooking until it's a caramelized color like honey. Once fully cooked, transfer to a container and allow to cool. How to wax at home: use a craft stick to spread the sugar wax over the area where you want to remove hair, working in the same direction that the hair is growing. Then firmly press a clean strip of fabric onto the sugar wax. Let it sit for a few seconds so the wax can firm up. Then hold your skin taut, and quickly pull the strip of fabric in the opposite direction of the hair growth. If there is any sugar wax residue left on your skin, you can easily clean it up with a bit of warm water. Benefits of using homemade wax: since the wax is made using natural ingredients, it makes your skin soft and glow. You are not likely to develop any skin rash or infections by using homemade wax. It will remove the hair as well as will also moisturize your skin. Homemade wax lessens the production of hair, so the next time you wax, you will realize that the hair growth has considerably reduced. It will exfoliate your skin and also open the pores of your skin to allow the dirt to get out. Waxing aftercare: a dab of coconut oil can be used to remove any remaining wax left on the skin. Vitamin E oil can also help to reduce post-waxing inflammation. For the best results, keep the skin clean and clear of harsh chemicals and fragrances. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.